Once Abu Darda, may Allah be pleased with him, was sitting in company with his students when his wife came and said to him, "You are sitting here with your students and we haven't got a pinch of flour left with us in the house." Abu Darda, may Allah be pleased with him, said to her, "Good lady, before us there is a valley hard to travel, the day of judgment, and only such people can traverse it successfully who travel light." Hearing this, his wife went away, satisfied with the reply, and did not complain any more about her needs. Abu Darda, may Allah be pleased with him, once said, "We have food, and the rich also have food. We wear clothes, and the rich also wear clothes. The rich people possess wealth which exceeds their requirements, and they just see it without using it. We can also look at wealth possessed by others without using it. We are equal in this respect, but the rich will be required to render an account on the day of resurrection for holding extra wealth in their possession. We are free from reckoning, for we have nothing in our possession."